The Mantis camera is the most powerful camera in the world. We took the best cameras we could get, 19 of them, and put them together. You'll be able to see everything all the time, everywhere, find out who did it and where they went. I'm looking for my friend Ming Hao here in the streets of Shanghai. We should be able to find him. We have a 100 megapixel super video camera. If somebody sneezes on the street, we're going to catch the sneeze.
What?
If somebody sneezes on the street, we're going to catch the sneeze.